So I'm making this video to show you guys how to take out the inner wheel on an Isuzu NPR. I'm certain most vehicles, big trucks, have the same mechanism where you have to remove this bolt right here, or nut, however you want to call it. From here, you have to remove it in order to take this wheel out. There you go. So it's a double wheel. This is an NPR. I'll show you how the other side is. So there you go. First you have to take this nut out to remove this wheel, and then after that you remove the inner wheel, the inner nut.